This is why you need active listening in UX research. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's talk about active listening in UX research. It's not just about hearing words, it's about truly understanding your users. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt. Active listening is your treasure map. Without it, you're just wandering aimlessly. When you actively listen, you tune into the user's needs, pain points, and desires. No more guesswork. You're getting the raw, unfiltered truth. This helps you design solutions that really hit the mark. Picture this. A user mentions they hate a feature, but by digging deeper, you find out it's not the feature itself, but how it's implemented. Boom! You've just uncovered a gold nugget of insight. That's the power of active listening. By genuinely listening without preconceived notions, you uncover the real story. It's like being a detective in a mystery novel, piecing together clues to find the truth. And the truth? It leads to designs that resonate, engage, and delight. So next time you're in a user interview, remember, your ears are your best tool. Turn off that inner critic and just listen. You'll be amazed at the gems you'll find, because in UX, the real magic happens when you stop talking and start listening.